Thanks Overmont for sponsoring this video. Today, we're making a classic chili. Let's get started by prepping our fresh ingredients. The Overmont Dutch oven's larger handles make it easy to move, even when it's hot. Let's saute our onions and garlic to build the base of our dish. This cast iron Dutch oven retains heat beautifully, ensuring even cooking for perfectly brown beef every time. Now we add our spices and liquids. The ripple design on the lid helps lock in moisture, ensuring every bite is rich and flavorful. The improved knob on the lid is heat resistant and easy to grip, making it simple to check on your dish as it simmers to perfection. With its ergonomic design, the Overmont Dutch oven makes serving effortless. Just look at that hearty, delicious chili. Durable, versatile, and easy to clean, the Overmont cast iron Dutch oven is a must-have for every kitchen. Cook with confidence and style. The Overmont cast iron Dutch oven, designed for delicious moments. Get yours today. Thanks for watching. Bye.